so I already set them up, and it's time to play Christmas tree variation of 15 diamonds, okay? Let's see. Start over here. Alright, not too bad. This is going to lead me down there now. It's going to get a little dangerous because if I'm down here, you can see why. So, it's not a great angle on this. I feel pretty good. It's over there. It counts as long as you get yours in, then you count the other one. I called that one, but. Alright. In other words, I don't get a minus point for that. I don't get a point for that. If single player, it's a point. I would lose, but I didn't lose it because it just went in incidentally. That's all. Here's the problem. One good shot here. Not that great either. Let's try to do this. This side. Ready? Oh, okay, that's good. Oh, perfect. Hey, Diesel, say hi. It's my dog Diesel. He wants to say Merry Christmas, huh, Diesel? Merry Christmas. Yes, he does. Yeah, 6. These two. Let me get this, and that. No problem, Diesel. Back now. Whoa. I'm putting all the way to the rail. Jeez. I won't do that. That's it. I just shaped this tip. This is a dime tip now, so it'll have really good draw on it. But as you can see, I don't want that much draw. I'm gonna go for that 6. I don't know. Oh, that was close, but I missed. It's a 1 now. That's where the points start popping up. Sheesh. Can't go for that, that's the 15. I do this on the side. Watch out for the point. Please, don't worry, I'm going on this stomach, don't worry. Yes. Woo! Okay, Bubby. He's a good boy. Come here. Oh, say hello to the camera, see? Say hello. Alright, let me finish this, okay? Alright, go on this one, of course. Low. How low can you go? Let's go low. Great. Put that. If I hit that in accidentally, it's an early 15, which is, I get 2 points. I already have 1, that'd be 3. But if I miss it, if I miss this, I'm gonna have a point, be 2. That's a scratch up there, so I'm gonna go that way. But it's dangerous, I'm gonna hit the 15 for sure. I have a pole on the way here, so, well, actually. Alright, let me do this. I'm gonna do a bank. Is I'm set up for a scratch. Oh no. Yeah, if I draw it at all, it's gonna go in. I have to go up there. I have to go forward with it just a little bit. Slice. Let's see. Just off. Alright, so I got a 2 there. I mean, it's 2 total. Now I should be able to set this 15 up. It's gonna bounce back a little. Alright, I'm gonna go right inside. Hot slice. Not bad too. Alright, Diesel, say bye. Say Merry Christmas. Everybody out there on YouTube. Alright? Bye, Diesel. He's waiting for his mommy to come. Alright, see you guys later. Take care, like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Alright, have a good one. Bye bye. Happy holidays.